We are back at it again with another install. Not on this Hansky. This nigga just changing his brake pads. We got Juju, LSX Juju over here. But today we're doing the, on my car, the rear spoiler. This is the Z28 wing. Same as LSX Juju and Brandon, but I got the got the Wickerbill attachment, the one-piece Wickerbill by Zl1Addons. But we're gonna slap this on first, and we already have an install video up on our channel of how to put this piece on, so we'll just skip till it's done. Video on that. All right, let me see. This is how it looks before, stock spoiler. He's already got it on the back of his. Now I got one. This is the stock spoiler. Nope. Now we gotta slap on the Z28 spoiler.
Well, I can't refer to Glenn.
And this is after, without the Wickerbill installed yet. We're gonna install the Wickerbill probably tomorrow. Don't have time today, but just this for now. Next day, we are back at it again with the Wickerbill install.
Lily girl.
And today, we got Sophia sitting right here.
Lily girl.
Today, we're mounting on the Wickerbill. Yesterday, we mounted just the Z28 spoiler. Now the Wickerbill attachment. Just lining up the holes right now, trying to find the center hole. That looks about right. This is pretty scary, but fuck it. It looks about center. Start drilling the holes.
If you have it like this, it's gonna be off.
I'm not sure what they're trying to do,
But it's straight.
they're doing something.
Okay, so
Well, 20 minutes later, this is how far we got. Take a minute.
Sunset is in 23 minutes.
shh. Push this up all the way through.
I'm going back now.
I didn't go through the other side.
Yeah.
I felt it though. It's drilled.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Now
see,
what do
it
you
is.
do?
It's already the hole. Now just
Ah.
6 more. All right. Boom. This is the final finish of the Wickerbill install by Zl1Addons. Just wash the cars. This is the final look. This is how it looks from this angle. We got Julian and Brandon slapping on another sticker. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching the Wickerbill install. This Wickerbill from Zl1Addons. Once again, one-piece Wickerbill. And that's a wrap. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.